Bernard Morris. I'm actually a pastor in the city of Bristol, and I've been pastoring for perhaps about 25, 26 years, as well as being I was a bivocational accountant. I worked for the NHS for many, many years, and I retired from my accountancy work 2 years ago. And one of the things I wanted to do was to study theology. And a huge opportunity was presented that I just had to pursue, which was to study a master's degree in theology, ministry and mission at Trinity College. For those of you that are interested in pursuing this opportunity, be prepared to read and study hard, but you'll also have great benefit from the ideas and the thoughts of the other students. That's, for me, been the number one benefit. It's just hearing the ideas and thoughts of other students, as well as the brilliant lecturers that we have at Trinity. I did worry to start off with, because I'm a lot older than most of the students at Trinity, although there are some guys around about my age. But it's such a welcoming community. You really feel part of the family. You know, one of the highlights for me, great teaching, great fellowship with the other students, but one of the highlights for me is getting to college at 8:30 on a Tuesday morning for prayers and the service. Just half an hour. I've got to get up early because I've got to get across Bristol, but for me it's marvellous. And there's a particular reason why it's marvellous for me. As a pastor, I'm always organising services, I'm always leading services. But as a student at Trinity, I can take a seat and just really relax and enjoy it. Although I have been a preacher at one service, but that's only once. So my advice to anyone applying for a scholarship is to do so. But it's not a free ticket, it's not an easy ride. You have to study hard, whether you're doing a BA program, whether you're doing an MA program or some other program. There's a lot of reading, there's a lot of commitment. It's hard work, but it is so beneficial and will help you to grow in your ministry, in your life as a Christian. And so I'd really encourage anyone that's interested to apply.